To live a creative life, we must lose our fear of being wrong. Ugh!
Embrace.
I'm invigorated!
What is this water that's falling from the sky?
Are you ready?
I'm ready! Let's go! I haven't done a beauty trippin' in so long, and the day I do, it rains. It's so weird. I barely know how to use these back and forth things. So I was like, I think they're going too fast.
What's the clue?
Great question. FASHUN, which is your new
Fashion!
slogan.
I'm wearing fashion.
Is it fashion or fashion?
It's fashion.
Fashion. Okay, well, fashion,
Yes.
it's in your jeans. Not spelled like DNA jeans. J-E-A-N-S.
Oh my gosh, the way we're gonna do something with denim. Obviously, we have to be doing something with jeans.
I hope not. I can literally wear no more denim. I have denim everywhere. I look like I'm getting ready to go ride a horse.
But it's in
Texas.
style. It's a Canadian tuxedo. We just went to Canada. I feel as though it's very fitting for us.
Fashion. All right.
Maybe we're gonna make like, you remember that dress Britney Spears wore, that denim dress when she walked the carpet with JT?
Oh, yes.
That iconic look. Maybe we're gonna design something along those lines.
You would probably design something along those lines
Gladly.
based on your...
You guys, I look crazy and I don't even
have on clam diggers.
I have on clam digger, like I have on like green khaki sweatpants. Not kidding. They're from Zara. They're amazing.
They're cute.
I
They're
have on
really
a long
cute.
sleeve white crop top, this jacket, and then hold on, let me just show you my shoes.
Oh, those are cute.
But it makes no sense.
That's his outfit. But I do love your cross earrings. They're cute.
Oh, thank you so much.
Fashion.
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 Fashion. Let's go.
Hi, how are you? I'm Bria.
Bria, nice to meet you.
Bria, yes.
to meet
Nice to
you.
meet you both, and welcome to the Stinson House Atelier. It's my little trap house of sorts.
Atelier trap. What?
What does that even mean?
I am a costume designer and fashion designer, and this is kind of where it all happens.
So is this your vision board for 2018 or?
No, actually, that's the wall of accomplishments. That's my hashtag. Bria did that. In addition to you girls, because we're gonna do something really special for you girls.
What?
This little wall back here, contains a few little people like Justin Bieber. We did a couple leather pieces for him. I've also got Beyonce. I did a gold jacket for the finale of the Formation tour. Was sick.
I have
24
goosebumps
hours.
under this outfit. You
Beyonce
cannot see
has
them.
breathed this air?
This is insane.
Breathe it on in. Breathe it on in.
Oh my
Because we're gonna
gosh.
hook you up next.
Wow.
I might die a happy
Wow.
person.
Wow.
Finally.
Wow. Wow.
Don't do it before the jacket's done.
Come on, great. We're making jackets?
Of course.
Of course we
I'll
are.
do whatever you tell me to do.
Of course we are.
honestly.
So ladies, since you're here in the atelier, we're going to work on a special project. Levi's was nice enough to give us these jackets.
Sweet.
And I feel like we kind of had a vibe. So I think we should just kind of be our own little like girl gang and create jackets.
Please.
Yes.
Yeah.
I mean,
Show
I
us.
clearly love denim.
Obviously, and I love
Obviously.
A passion project of mine, yes.
Yeah, and it's just a piece that's just classic. It never goes out of style. Incorporated like a couple spikes and studs on the table. Ragged edges, we can distress some of the edges. Maybe even create a couple dirty spots so it looks
I
like
like
it's
it
gone through the war with us. And I think even like this whole cold shoulder effect, like I love to see that on a denim jacket because you can create the cool fray around and give a little skin, but also be covered if you need to be.
You're so cool.
I have no idea what
Cut
it
it.
is.
Like
out.
anything you want me to do, I'll do.
You should do fashion.
Oh my gosh, yes. FASHUN.
Ooh.
It's my thing.
Do
obviously.
that.
I
Make it a
love
thing.
you so much.
So we can do individual jackets,
Okay.
just so we can show our individuality, because each one of us bring a little something different
Great.
to the table. But if you do fashion,
Fashion.
what are you thinking?
I don't really know.
So I got all
See,
this
these are
trim.
speaking to me.
Yeah.
I don't know where to start, what to do. This is very Taylor Swift
this
of
is
you.
very Taylor Swift.
go for
Love
that.
that.
Can I just
Yeah.
make like glitter, like rhinestone fringe?
Absolutely.
Is that a thing?
Absolutely, you can. There's this whole jar of mix and matchy pieces of rhinestone trim. So sometimes what I like to do is follow the borders here because it just gives it a
Cute.
cool outline. I think that would look incredible.
When you're doing a jacket for someone like Justin Bieber, like Rita Ora, all these Beyonce, how long does it take?
It just depends on what it is. So there have been times like I did a leather jumpsuit for Zayn.
Stop.
The one with the lights for the video.
You did?
It's probably gonna sound wrong, promise it won't last long.
And that happened in less than 24 hours.
Stop. How?
I don't want anybody to start calling me for leather Batman suits in the middle of the night. I don't want to make that a thing, but that's an example of how fast things can go. Because usually if people give me 2 weeks, I get bored with it.
Right.
But if you give me 3-5 days, we can make some real serious magic happen. But even like
wild.
the custom bubble jacket that I did for Beyonce, that was a overnight project. Literally.
How do you can't say no to
No,
Beyonce.
no, you
You're
don't
like, whatever
sleep.
you want.
No, you better not.
No, never.
You better not.
You better not
That's the
say
queen
no.
bee.
So I'm missing
What do you got?
the F, the A, and the U.
You know what looks
Should I just
cool?
do something else?
No. You know what looks cool if you just freestyle those letters, so it's just not so uniform. 'Cause you know what I
Wow.
mean? This isn't
Great.
a
Like with your,
college
like,
prep jacket.
Draw it.
This
Nope.
is like some rock and roll type stuff.
F-H. Or should I do this plus the pat? Is there like too much? Because I have trouble with boundaries.
No.
I just want more.
In this
more is
life, there's
better.
no such thing as too much.
Great.
Jocelyn, you have to think about it like this. What's gonna look good on the gram? Like that's really how
You see?
I'm envisioning this.
Grammable moments.
Exactly.
For once, like I really don't want to mess this up. Thanks for letting us do this.
No, of course.
This is actually so fun.
This is the fun stuff, and it's crazy because a lot of these pieces here are from other projects. So you also are incorporating like a little bit of like music history in
who?
your jacket.
Like Beyonce?
Literally, this is from when I used to work with Willow Smith.
Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
cutest.
All right, so with
too
you,
hard.
Yes, ma'am.
you want to do a little distressing. What I like to do is like maybe just cut little nips.
Oh yeah.
And this is like such a dope contrast with all the rhinestone
Yep.
and like the bling. I hate using the word bling. Did I just say that?
Yeah, what can you
it's
use
very
instead?
90s.
Embellishment.
Oh.
Why don't you like bling? I like it.
It's
it like Ed Hardy- Ed Hardy
we're putting the
vibes?
swag on our jackets.
YOLO.
That sounds like the stuff
YOLO. That's another one.
Our whole
So-
vocabulary is
Right-
so out of fashion.
Right here where we cut those slices, we're just gonna go over with the sandpaper and just create more of that like distressedness. Okay, so like even with the end, I love how you took it outside of the
Okay.
border, but even do more. We don't want to
Okay.
be confined by anything here.
All
We're
right,
thinking
yes.
outside of the box.
Yeah.
This is our world. So yeah, exaggerate those things.
Oh my gosh.
Give it some
okay.
love. That's great.
How did you get that all over your hand?
Oh,
Wait.
there's towels right there.
And it's all over your jacket.
Oh, it's dope though.
I like that.
No, that's
Wait,
totally
Oh,
cool.
that's so cool.
That's so cool.
Oh my God, fashion is happening, Jocelyn.
flew
So it's
out.
like a little paint splatter. Keep going with it though.
This is very. I'm speaking.
You want to get into
me.
another color?
Yeah.
All right.
Erin, that looks so cute.
Does it though?
Yeah. Okay, what are you doing?
Remember that cold shoulder
Oh,
concept
did you
we
just
were
cold
thinking
shoulder
about?
it?
You see, I just cut the shape there that I typically like, and then I'm just going over it with the sandpaper, same way I showed you. And so it's gonna give us that cool little fray.
But
Why don't
help
you do,
me,
like,
I need help.
the
I don't know what to
sleeves
do.
or like the.
I don't know about the fashion idea.
What I like to do is kind of fold it
Okay.
a little bit along the edge and just go in and
my gosh,
create
I'm so
those little
inspired over here.
little snips.
So excited.
Okay, so while I'm doing this side, maybe you can go over with the
With this?
sandpaper. Yeah, that side that I've already put the nips in.
Just like this? Am I doing it right?
Yep. So you can't really do a really tough piece without
Oh,
a
maybe
lot
that's
of
what I need.
safety
Cover it with
pins. So
safety
just
pins.
go in. If we got time, I would do it all the way across.
Yeah?
But like I said, if you do them in groups, they're just more effective. And
Yeah,
I like where you're going with
You
that.
do? Okay.
Yeah.
So I've decided, I think, that I'm just gonna do like glitter fringe. I'm very inspired by this.
Yep.
Mine doesn't look anything like that. But also, this
little
is like
bit.
such a good life lesson. Sometimes when you make mistakes and your life is a mess, you just have to reinvent yourself and come up with new ways to get through it, you know?
You know what?
Oprah
I
moment.
like that. That is
Oh,
another.
that was an Oprah
That was
moment.
a very Oprah moment of you.
What
Like
would you,
this is-
what'd you call this piece?
Jessica?
No, she's more of a Veronica.
Ooh, I
A little
like that.
edgy, doesn't really give a crap about what people think about her.
All right, I think this is getting better the more I cover it.
Oh, that's
Kind of.
looking cool.
All right, but I need to add some patches, right? Don't we think?
Yeah.
I like the snake. I feel like the snake is really bringing me like a lot of joy. His name is Edward.
Oh, I love Edward the snake.
It's coming together. Do you think one more patch in the middle or
Yeah,
overkill?
I think you need a focal point there.
What do we think about the rose? Too feminine?
This is kind of leaning towards a little Guns N' Roses
You
feeling.
know
You know what I mean? A little
what?
edgy.
It got a lot
Let me see.
better.
Oh, I
It got
like
a
the
lot better.
It
Yeah.
got a lot better. Let me
Yeah.
see the front.
It's more simple, and then on the back it's like, surprise, look what happened.
Jocelyn, that's so much better.
It really is.
I love that.
The time is finished. The time is nigh. We need to put our jackets on.
Okay, well, you say so.
It's hard to walk away from a project like this and to know when to be like,
done.
That's the struggle of a true artist. You know, how does Picasso know he's done?
that is a great question.
Yeah.
And mine's not even gonna go in my arms because it's,
Oh, drape it over. Now that's fashion.
that is fashion, right?
That is fashion.
Erin! Oh my gosh, it worked!
She tilted her head.
Oh my gosh, you need to like go
kinda-
ride a horse in that.
It's
kinda like-
save a horse, ride a cowboy.
You
That's really what I
look
say.
so cool.
You like it?
Let me see the back.
Oh,
Yes.
that is so good.
like that?
Well, I think we need to like hit the town to like perform.
We need something for Instagram for sure.
Are you ready?
Are you
All right.
down?
Okay, let's go.
right.
Let's do it.
All
Bad
right.
Girl Magic, Rhinestone Cowgirl,
And
and then
who
there's
am I?
me.
Oh, I'm Bad Girl Magic?
Bad Girl Magic.
Bad Girl. Ooh,
Yes.
that sounds way cooler than
Witchcraft.
Bad Girl Magic. Wow.
So fun.
That was so fun, and she is just so warm, so talented, so hardworking. I honestly kind of can't believe like we were brought into that world. You guys, what did you think of our jackets?
Be nice.
honest. Be nice
honest
and
and
honest. And thanks for watching and keeping us employed.
Yeah, we really appreciate you. Also, let us know, is there a beauty thing that we have not done yet that you think we should do? Anything we should make? I'm still pushing this year to see if we can get new wardrobes on Beauty Trippin.
You guys, you know that we need
See
new
it, try to
wardrobe.
believe it.
Look what we're wearing right now. We actually don't look bad today.
No, we look really put together. Anyway, guys, let us know in the comments what you thought of this episode and more episodes to come. We love you. Subscribe.
Bye.
Bye.
For more Clevver style greatness, click that box over on the left to find out what we packed for Coachella. Or click that box over on the right to see Lily get her unicorn hair, but without dye.